help fleet owners in maintaining their fleet? I would say सबसे पहले तो it gives you a total cost idea. What is the total cost of ownership of the vehicle? एक एक अलग अलग कैटेगरी में आपका व्हीकल क्या एक्सपेंस कर रहा है. So we would say normally if you have the data and you know what the problem is, you would be able to resolve it easily. So a well-known problem is half solved. This is what we say in fleet management. So cost control में we would be able to give you the categorization of the cost in terms of spare parts, in terms of tires, in terms of services, renewals, breakdowns. We will give you bifurcation of cost so that you may check what exactly is the cost of your ownership of any vehicle. Then we are also giving you compliance automation through the Parivahan connectivity. So we have connected Parivahan so that we will be able to give you the insurance renewals, other renewals also date, and you would get notifications. Then we would give you driver insights. In driver insights you would see which driver has done how many trips, which driver has been doing compliances well, how many breakdowns, how many accidents. So this is what we would be able to provide you in fleet management.